you kind of can push it, and the rest you don't even have to hold it on your finger. You see, it will close it. This side here, Fox radius, much more affordable one. Looks like it's by Boca. That's cool. Yeah, that's Italian knife. There is one that they sell for $500. This one's a little bit more affordable because it's only like $180 to $200, depends where you buy it. And I love the radius knife because there's this button right here. You see it's a kind of slanted on the side. Is it slanted? Yes. No, maybe not. Wow, it's not even slanted. But what you do is, come on camera, focus. You just push it, and it does have a little push to it. You see it? And then you kind of pull it and don't even have to pull on it. It feels like a roller blade. You know, once you step on it, it goes. That's how it is. You step on it and want to go close. And you just step on it, don't even think about it. You see how it's even slide down for me, and it kind of opened it. I feel like, there you go. You kind of can push it, and the rest, you don't even have to hold it on your finger. You see, it will close it. Once you break through the lock, it's super easy. That's why it's so smooth. I love the radius knife. I feel like it doesn't have like enough fame to it. There's the designer and maker. A little spider over here, or I guess a big one. Cute. Italy. And 690 core. Is that the steel? Don't know nothing about that. I bet it's just different like names for European steel and things like that. Maybe, I don't know. So beautiful knife. Comfortably wise, there's no wiggle in there, so well designed, but it is a little bit of a 3-finger knife for my hands. I guess I could hold it this way, but that's kind of uncomfortable, so I'd be holding it this way how it's supposed to. What about the level balance? I mean, yeah, it balances where you're going to hold it. You see how I'm gonna hold it right here, and it's a well balanced knife. I should talk about it more often. I don't know, just better feel to it whenever it's well balanced knife. When you hold it, especially 3-finger knife, and it's a well balanced knife, I like it. Maybe not so important, but I think it's cool. You see, it's a for sure fidgeter too. You can just kind of push it and flies out. Wow, that kind of flew. Almost feels like assisted, but it's not. You see it? If you practice, you could really flick it. Very unique. Yeah, radius by Fox and collaboration with Boca. I mean, the Boca made them.